Welcome to How to Run the Linear Regression T-Test. We begin from the home screen by clicking on the button Explore Data. This is where we will go to enter our data. It brings us to the list editor. Of course, we'll want to enter our X values into list 1 and our Y values into list 2. So in list 1, I will simply enter the numbers 1 through 6, and in list 2, I'll enter some numbers that I've chosen from a problem. 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, in list 1, I've entered my X values, and in list 2, I've entered my Y values. I click on the menu button. I go up to just Regressions option. I click on that, and you notice it brings me to the Regressions screen. There are three options here: the linear regression, quadratic, and the one for this session, linear regression t-test. I click on linear regression t-test, and that brings me to the linear regression t-test screen. Of course, it asks me where I put my x's. I put them in list 1. It asks where I put the y's. I put them in list 2. I click calculate, and I see that the least squares regression equation is returned here, 0.7714x plus 3.1333. I also have the correlation coefficient, 0.9805. I also have the r-square, and for purposes of the t-test, I have the deviation S, sample deviation S, the t-test statistic 9.9704, the p-value 3.0 e-4. Recall, this is scientific notation, and in common notation that would be 0.0003. So this is the same as 3 times 10 to the negative 4th power. It's a very small number. Don't forget to read all the way across the line. I'd like to see the graph, so I go down and click on graph. I can see my regression graph here in red. I see the individual data points in white. I have the least squares regression equation given to me on the top, and all the essentials here on the bottom: r, r-squared, s, the t statistic, and the p-value. Recall that there is a help available, so you can, on any of these, you can go up and click on the help, and the helpful hints here are that when you're developing HO and HA, HO, there is no linear correlation. HA, the linear correlation is not 0. Of course, the rejection rule is reject HO if the p-value is less than your alpha, and the alpha will change based on your problem. And this ends the session on how to perform the linear regression t-test.